Welcome guys, we're in the castle of Puerto Galera, day 2. Going to see motherfucking waterfalls, because I'm a waterfall lover, nature lover, as you fucking all know. It's midday, perfect time to start the day, because I like to sleep late, wake up late. Be careful, don't fall. Okay, cut. Let's bounce. Motorbike, yeah? Where's my motorbike?
Wala, nilinta ko ito.
Which one's mine?
Na.
This one's mine. This one's mine. How far the waterfall? How far
From
the
30 minutes more.
25 to 30 minutes.
And how many waterfalls is there?
From here maybe 20 kilometers.
There's a few waterfalls, yeah?
25.
Okay, you guys be here all day?
Yes.
So I come back, you be here. Okay, good. I'll see you later then. Hello. So welcome to Puerto Galera, the love of Asia. This is the most famous waterfall around here. Although we'll see a few more in the side for ourselves. It's deep in the jungle. There's a swimming area over there. It costs $1 to go down there. So yeah, we'll see whether we go or not. That's about it. So waterfall? This way or that way? Okay, Saboy. So in the middle of nowhere, some are just improvising, yeah. Just found a cow, some locals with their swords. Gonna look for a waterfall. Hot, yeah?
Ari po ate ang daan papunta doon sa liguan dyan.
Sa ilog.
Sa ilog, ari nakakalusot din ang motor niya.
Ay.
Ouch.
Maliligo sana kayo, ho?
Opo.
Ayan, oh, ang
Nandito.
mga sasakyan. Oh, ayan ang mga sasakyan. Galing doon.
Ito sa dyan, daanan doon sa tanong.
Main highway, yeah. So how far the waterfall? 5 minutes, 10 minutes?
Ay, wala pa po. Wala pa.
Wala pa po.
Papunta na kayo.
John Rubis and Elvis Manguera. Silvestre Manguera. Yeah. You doing? Yeah. So basically, guys, even though I'm a man of God, I couldn't do this all by myself, and I cheat on my way out of it. And even though I tried so hard, I couldn't find this motherfucking waterfall. So I outsourced. So when you can't do something, you outsource it to someone else, which is basically what I did. I found local private guides in there. Silvestre Manguera and what's the name of your friend?
Jan Rubis.
And John Rubis became very helpful. And yeah, they're showing us through this jungle to find this waterfall. And apparently there are many cobras in those high grasses. So yeah, I guess we be careful. Okay, that's it. So here we go, guys. Two lovely gentlemen showed us this waterfall this canyon, which we're gonna go inside now. We're gonna be pretty much this deep, so probably no recording. Yeah, that's pretty much the story. got this. So this is the Mother Canyon waterfall where we're going to be swimming looking for the cover snake. So we're following the locals now to the second waterfall, deep into the jungle. Normally people would be scared to follow the locals because, well, for obvious reasons. But I don't give a flying fuck, so let's go. They're so kind that they're even carrying the helmets for the motorbike because wanting to leave the helmets at the motorbike, but they told us that there's a lot of snatchers around that will aim to steal them. Deep in the jungle, won't be able to find out without our beautiful friend's help. Here we go. Wanna go for a swim there?